Hello and welcome to Astronomy 101 in Canvas. Today I will be showing you how to navigate through Canvas. Here in the Home section, you will find your learning outcomes and module descriptions. If I scroll down a little bit, you see your learning outcomes for this course as well as the description. To get started, you would hit the Let's Get Started button. Pretty self-explanatory, and this will take you straight to your modules. Or you could also hit modules as well, but I'm going to hit the Let's Get Started button. And you can see that I'm hovering over it, and it's saying it's going to take you to Unit 1, Introduction to the Solar System. So I'm going to go ahead and click the Let's Get Started. And as you can see, it took us straight to the modules page. When it's highlighted in blue, that's the page that you are on. So hitting the Let's Get Started page takes you straight to your modules. Your first module would be your Unit 1, which is Introduction to the Solar System, and here are your assignments and different activities. Here's your content page, your quiz, your discussion is your changing understandings, and then your study guide is here as well. And this can be found in assignments. So I'm going to click the Solar System Overview. This takes you straight to your content page, and you just click on this doc. It will upload at the bottom of your screen. Then you click on it, and it would open up, and you'll just read the content page. To move on to the next thing, you can hit the next button, which is located right here where you see my mouse. And as you can see, it as I hover over it, it tells you where you're going to go next. So it's the Solar System quiz. In order to take the quiz, you would hit the button that says Take the Quiz. And this will bring you to the quiz. The quiz shows one question at a time, and when you are finished, you will hit Submit. You won't get a grade right away. The grade will show up the next day in grades. At the top, it tells you all the information you need to know, when it's due, how many points, how many questions, and if there is a time limit. And as you can see with this quiz, there is no time limit. Once you are done, you can go ahead and click. And actually, let me show you something. You can take the quiz, and let's say something happens and you need to finish. Go ahead and click it, and then hit next. So right now it's saved. So let's say I went back to modules and I click back on the quiz. It will say resume quiz. So you go ahead and resume the quiz and then hit submit when you're done. When you're finished with this, you can go ahead and move to your discussion. In order to respond to the discussion, you would hit reply. Create your response. I'm just going to type in something. Create your response, and then you would hit post reply. If you wanted to edit your reply, you would hit the three dots right here and hit edit, and you can go ahead and edit what you responded, and you can also delete what you responded. Once you're done with this, you can hit next and go to the next page, which is your planet study guide. And this shows up as a doc. You would click the link, and it'll bring up your Word document. When you're done, you would go ahead and fill in the Word document. So let me pull it up so you have that. So you go in and fill in your answers, write in your notes. Once you've done that, you would go through and save like you would any normal Word document. And then you would hit submit assignment, and then you scroll down, hit choose file, upload your file. I've already done one, so I'm not hit it. You can add your comments when you want to, and then hit submit. And now your assignment is submitted. If you realize you did something wrong, you can resubmit your assignment until it is time to until the due date is up, and you'll know you turn it in because you'll see right here in your submissions area says when you turned it in. So once again, you can go to your home page. Your home page tells you everything you need for the course, how to get started. If you don't want to work through this page and if you're working at different points in times, you can click the quizzes section to find your quiz, your assignments section to find out where your assignments are, and your discussion, which is here, and then your content page would be in pages, and then you would do view all pages, hit your solar system overview, and then here's that page that we were at before. You just go ahead and click this link and it'll pop up at the bottom of your screen, open up in a Word document, and read it. So here's your overview of how to access the course through Canvas. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Thank you.